inspection can be severe. When holds are declared unfit for loading because of residues of the previous cargo, debris or other substances, or a need for repair or hot work, then the ship may be required to leave the loading berth and go to an anchorage or lay-by berth until they are in a condition to pass the necessary inspections. The ship may need to bring in shore labour to assist in hold cleaning, possibly using cherry or other access equipment. There are local ship cleaning companies in most ports. In any case, failure of hold inspections will usually result in costly delays or off-hire of the ship. It can lead to lengthy and costly disputes between owners and charterers. The failure to properly prepare the holds before loading can also lead to very costly claims for contaminated or damaged cargo discovered at the time of discharging. This is of particular importance when trading grain cargo in countries such as Australia. The Australian Quarantine Inspection Service operates a zero-tolerance policy, under which detection of the smallest particle of certain previous cargoes or other contaminants will fail a ship. A possible result of such a failure can be that the loaded cargo is quarantined and discharge in Australia will not be permitted. Examples of contaminants that may cause such sanctions are the presence of a single grain of substances such as peas, beans, stockseed, rice, or contaminants such as feces, feathers, soil, sand. In the dry bulk trades there are 5 grades of hold cleanliness. Click on each one to find out more about it. Load on top means that cargo is loaded on top of existing cargo residues. Usually this means grab cleaned. This standard is mostly used where a ship is trading continuously with the same commodity and the same grade of that commodity. This will typically occur when a ship is employed under a contract of affreightment to carry, for example, a single grade of coal over a period of time. With such a trade there is no commercial need for holds to be cleaned between successive cargoes, and each cargo is simply loaded on top of any remaining residues from the previous cargo. With load on top, guidance may be necessary for the master on any cleaning requirements, including the use of bulldozers and cleaning gangs. A shovel clean means removal of all the previous cargo that moved by stevedores with a bobcat, or a rough sweep and clean with shovels by the stevedores or crew. The master should clarify what standard is expected. Normal clean, or swept clean, means that the holes are swept clean, with no residues from the previous cargo, and then probably washed down, depending on charterer's requirements. That is, clean sufficiently, taking cargoes similar to or compatible with the previous shipment. Grain clean is a common requirement when a ship is to carry cargoes such as all grains, soya meal and soya products, alumina, sulfur, bulk cement, bauxite, concentrates and bulk fertilizers. Hospital clean is the highest cleaning standard. Hulls must have 100% intact paint coatings on all surfaces, including the tank top, all ladder rungs and undersides of hatches. This standard is usually only required for certain cargoes, such as China clay, mineral sands including zircon, barytes, rutile sand, ilmenite, fluorspar, chrome ore, soda ash, rice in bulk, or high grades of wood pulp. Generally, these high standards of cleanliness will only be met by vessels trading exclusively with such cargoes. It will rarely be required in the tramp trades.